you're not a op. I just took a bitch, he just took me shopping. Next I need an island, take a bitch to Thailand. Pussy so good, he moaning, I'm silent.
Hey guys, so in this video I am going to be reviewing the Benefit's new mascara, the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit. I don't know if that's exactly its name, I'll have to look it up, but I'll definitely leave a link in bio or in the description, whatever it's called. But I got this mascara from Sephora like a week ago. The day that I went in was the day that it had just launched, so of course the lady was like really trying to sell it to me. She's like, hey, we have this new mascara, it gives you like volume with no weight, and it's also really dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna demo it for you guys and basically just tell you what my opinion about it is. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Okay, now that I'm back, I have concealed, primed, set my eyes, everything, the whole shebang. So my natural eyelashes are practically non-existent. I'm just going to show you on the one eye. I'm going to start with curling the lashes on this side. Okay, so I just curled these lashes. You can see like a huge difference. I don't know if you can really tell on video, but there's a huge difference in my hair. So the Benefit mascara is in kind of like this black bottle with like this textured lid. I got the small size because the full size mascara was $36 for mascara. Yeah, this was $12. I still think that's a lot for mascara in my opinion, but it is Sephora, so I'm not gonna trip. One thing that I don't like about this mascara is with the whole volume with no weight thing, the texture is really thin. I don't want to just have it waving out so it like dries out, but the consistency of the mascara itself is really thin. So like when I tested it in the store, I like got it all over my skin. Like I don't know if it was just me using like the tester mascara wands or what, but I got mascara like all over my face. It was a mess. It was a whole mess. But I got it anyway because it was really dark, and the mascara that I was using before was the e.l.f. mascara, which I love e.l.f. Like I live by e.l.f. honestly, but its mascara was just not up to par. Like I can show you guys. This is the Length and Volume mascara by e.l.f. I got this from Walmart. It was probably like $3. First, here's the brush. This brush is basically the exact same shape as the testers at Sephora, the fake ones. I'm gonna put this on this eye and show you. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, so I was using the e.l.f. mascara for a while. I don't ever really like wear mascara on my eyelashes because I don't have eyelashes to begin with, so me wearing mascara just seems kind of pointless because I don't got eyelashes to begin with. Oh, I think I already said that. But I usually just wear fake lashes. But this mascara, this Benefit mascara, you saw the brush from the e.l.f. mascara. The brush for this one's really thin, really long, really thin. Also very, 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 like, limp. Like, this is, like, so easy to do. Mascara should not do that, in my opinion, because I feel like the brush should be stuck in its place so that it doesn't bounce around and get on your face. But whatever, it's Benefit, not me that made it. So I'm just gonna put it on my face and show you. That's probably like the actual best I've ever applied this mascara in my entire life. Yeah, but you can see the difference for sure, in my camera at least. So yeah, I don't know. It ripped my whole eye out. Oh my god, I hate mascara so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop messing with it. It's not gonna get any better. I don't know if it's my lack of eyelashes that makes mascara so difficult, or just the mascara itself being problematic, but I don't like it. I mean, I do, but I don't. It has its pros and cons. So, pros. It's really dark. It goes on really dark. Unlike the e.l.f. mascara. No shade, no tea, no shade at e.l.f. at all. I usually love your mascaras. I love all your products usually, but this length and volume mascara is trash. Absolute trash. Don't buy it. I don't recommend it. I bought it because I lost my last mascara and just needed some in the moment. If you want to spend the $12 on this little thing of mascara, go right ahead. I say that it's worth the $12. I wouldn't buy the $40 one. It's a lot to pay for some mascara, but I don't know. I just feel iffy about it. Its price is just like way too high for it to like not work that good, like for it to like smudge really easily. Oh my god, this shit smudges so fucking bad. If you get some of it like on your nose, normally what I would do is just like wait for it to dry a little bit, even just like if the top layer of it's dry, and then like scrape it off with a spoolie. No, it doesn't do that at all. It will smudge clean across your whole face, and then it's on your spoolie so that the next time you use your spoolie, you get fucking mascara all over your eyebrows or all over your face. So it's like, okay, great. I was like, I can't have anything nice with this mascara. And it like, it does the thing where like, the mascara is like not clumpy at all, but I feel like it's all like gathering at like the tips of the eyelashes. It's not really like on like the whole eyelash. And I will give them the benefit of the doubt. Hey, but the benefit of the doubt that it is very weightless. There's a lot of mascara on this eye. I didn't really mean to put that much on, but it's weightless. Like I really couldn't tell that I put that much on. Yeah. I mean, like I said, I don't really wear mascara on my eyes alone. I usually only put mascara on with lashes, with fake lashes, just to make them blend. So I guess this will be okay. Okay, so pros and cons. Pros of the mascara is it's really, really pigmented. Really, really quickly. Like, it's not like you have to put a whole bunch of layers on for it to be dark. Like, as soon as you put it on, they're black. Your lashes are black. They're covered black, okay? It's really, really weightless. I don't feel like I have any mascara on. Like, I can feel the mascara on this eye, and this only has like one layer on it. This one has like 2 or 3 or 4. I don't really remember how many I put on there, but I don't feel them, so that's good. Con, really, really flimsy brush. Really, really flimsy brush. I didn't even attempt to do my bottom lashes in this video because I knew it was going to turn out a mess. They always turn out a mess with this brush. I recommend the e.l.f. mascara if you want to do your bottom lashes and you don't have any like me. But yeah, I don't regret buying this mascara. Definitely can still use it whenever I put fake lashes on, but in terms of just as a whole, you might find a different mascara that you like more at Sephora, but maybe it's just me. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video or this review or whatever. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.